Beyond City Limits. Forgive me. I'm on screen. Okay, good. All right, cool. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to Retro Kids, and today, it has been a very long time, but today we are going to a meet in God Almighty, in Sun Valley, hosted by none other dang, bro, I really ain't did this in a minute. So of course, you know, the car has been lowered, but I have had some complications, and I actually fixed or put on a new control arm this morning. But other than that, though, after I fixed that, it was good. When I get back from the meet, I'm gonna just go down and drive it back down there and change the driver's side. The driver's side isn't as bad, but I would like to change it. But let's get ready to go over to this meet. See y'all there. Yes, sir. Y'all already know what's going on. Dude, look at this.
Damn, bro, look at.
Like you with the black like that. You're not sure.
What do?
There was one girl that was already trying to tell you at this point for you.
How did I see this shit?
Let's go drink.
Slam bourbon?
Oh yeah, he was on air. Nah, take that guy. Nice.
Sir, what would you hate more?
Alright, yo, stop. I'm gonna keep saying your mama, bro. GG. Yeah, that's
What
true.
would you drugs? Dude, upside down, steering wheel was straight.
And then,
The other one?
yeah, like
The meet was successful. Yes, sir. Time to go home.